In this video, we're going to show you how to integrate Asana with Outlook. If you're tired of switching between apps and want a smoother workflow, stick around because by the end of this, you'll have a fully integrated setup that'll save you time and boost your productivity. And the best part? You can use this integration completely free through the first link below with exclusive bonuses just for you. Let's dive into it. First, you'll need to make sure you have an Asana account, which is easy to set up. If you're new to Asana, it's a powerful task and project management tool that helps teams stay organized and on track. It allows you to break down large projects into manageable tasks, assign them to team members, and track progress easily. Now, let's get started with integrating Asana and Outlook. The first thing you want to do is open your Outlook account. Then, navigate to the AppSource page and search for the Asana add-in for Outlook. This add-in will allow you to seamlessly add emails to your Asana tasks. Once you find the Asana add-in, click Add to install it. Next, you'll need to connect your Asana account with Outlook. Once the add-in is installed, open an email in Outlook, and you'll see the Asana icon in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to log in to your Asana account. Once you're logged in, you'll be able to start creating tasks directly from your emails. The third thing to do is to start using the integration. When you're reading through an email, you'll notice the option to create a new task in Asana. You can choose the project, assign it to someone, and even set due dates right from within Outlook. It's a great way to keep all of your to-dos organized and connected with the emails you receive. The fourth thing is about automating your workflow even further. You can use Outlook's calendar to automatically sync your due dates with Asana, so you won't miss important tasks. This makes it easier to stay on top of your work, and everything syncs without you having to manually transfer data. Once you've integrated, you'll notice how much smoother everything runs. No more jumping back and forth between apps to stay updated on projects. You'll see emails that need action turned into actionable tasks, and tasks will be visible in both Asana and Outlook without any effort from you. Finally, I want to remind you that you can use this integration completely for free. Plus, we've got an exclusive extended free trial through the link below that'll let you get the most out of this integration. Whether you're an individual looking to stay organized or a team that needs to streamline collaboration, this Asana Outlook integration is a game changer. And that's it. Now you know how to integrate Asana with Outlook, saving you time and making your workflow much more efficient. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to check the link below for your exclusive trial and bonus offers.